Just yesterday, the U.S. Supreme Court announced that they would be hearing a case on abortion. Are they going to overrule Roe v. Wade? Welcome back to Legal Briefs. I'm Wes Austin. I'm a lawyer keeping you updated on the latest legal news. So in March of 2018, Mississippi enacted a law, HB 1510, that basically prohibited abortions after the 15th week. The act was entitled the Gestational Age Act. And in most cases, an abortion couldn't be performed until a physician first determined and documented the fetus's probable gestational age. And then, according to the Act, except in a medical emergency or in the case of a severe fetal abnormality, a person shall not perform, induce, or attempt to perform or induce an abortion of an unborn human being if the probable gestational age of the unborn human being has been determined to be greater than 15 weeks. So a lawsuit was filed, and at the district court, Judge Carlton Reeves blocked the law, and he said that this violated Roe v. Wade as well as Casey v. Planned Parenthood. Now, the Supreme Court first announced a woman's constitutional right to an abortion in Roe v. Wade, which was in 1973. Then later in Casey v. Planned Parenthood, the Supreme Court affirmed Roe v. Wade, basically confirming that the state is prohibited from banning most abortions. So at the district court judge said that Mississippi law violated Roe v. Wade. That was appealed, and that went up to the Fifth Circuit. The Fifth Circuit affirmed, and they also said, yes, that violated Roe v. Wade as well as Casey v. Planned Parenthood. And this is from the opinion of the Fifth Circuit, which said, in an unbroken line dating to Roe v. Wade, the Supreme Court's abortion cases have established and affirmed and reaffirmed a woman's right to choose an abortion before viability. States may regulate abortion procedures prior to viability so long as they do not impose an undue burden on the woman's right, but they may not ban abortions. So the United States Supreme Court has taken up this case, and they will be hearing this case in October. The case name is Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization. They'll be hearing it in October, probably having a decision next June approximately. Right now, there's a 6-3 conservative majority on the Supreme Court, with the newest addition being the Justice Amy Coney Barrett. So we may see her influence in this decision coming up on Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health Organization. The case's central question is whether a fetus can survive at 15 weeks. So we could see some of the landmark protections from Roe v. Wade pulled back. Some of them, all of them, I don't really know. So we will have to wait and see. But it's going to be about a year before we hear anything on this. Now, according to the White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki, she said that President Biden is committed to codifying Roe v. Wade after hearing that the U.S. Supreme Court was going to hear this case. I will keep you posted. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.